Hey, what's up people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Emma256 Fitness, and today I'm going to be showing you or telling you about the tips you need before you start up a YouTube channel. This video has been sponsored by Mapenzi Media. You can check them out at our social media handles, that's Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. And for the website, it's mapenzimedia.ug. We won the recent short film, the Uganda short film competition. That was the Mbajjo short film. I'm sure you like it. Just be sure to check it out. I'll leave the link in the description and have a comment on that short film. I'm sure you'll love it. So the very first tip I'm giving you for today is find inspiration. Whenever you think about starting a YouTube channel, think about that very thing you love doing that you may want people to hear, or when you hear it you feel inspired. It could be motivation, it could be anything. It could be cooking. Like for me, I do fitness. I wake up every day to show you how to do the push-ups, how to make those biceps, how to make those bigger arms. And if you're into fitness, that's my channel. It's Emma256 Fitness. And that way you can find a niche. You can either say, I'm going to do travel, I'm going to do food vlogging, I'll do food reviews, I'll do restaurant reviews, I'll do football. Either you're going to do cooking, you're going to do travel, you're going to do car tricks or bicycle tricks, football, or any game, any sort of game you want to show out to the world or you want to teach people. That's the thing you should go for. Don't be impressed around by anyone telling you, hey, this works better. Just find something that you won't get tired of easily. Yo, I won't get tired of working out and telling you to eat healthy. That's it. And then the other thing you need to think of is gear. You need to think of the camera, you need to think of the sound, you need to think of the studio, but I don't want you to be limited. For the first time, I won't lie to you, get the best camera phone you can afford, like an iPhone 7 onwards or a 6S starting from there, or you can get a Samsung, the best Samsung camera phone you can get. That's the best I would recommend for now. And then as you continue later on, get a camera, get the microphone, get a ring light. So as you use your phone, I would recommend having a ring light or with you as you want to talk to people, like doing an interview, or you're doing a demo or explaining something. You must have a ring light with you. That's the best I can recommend as you wait to have that money to get the gear and so on you need for your YouTube channel. And then the next thing you need to think of is having some editing skills. I'd recommend you use Premiere Pro. I'm not so good at phone editing, but Premiere Pro would be a good, it would do the best trick for you if you want to start like on your YouTube channel. Get time, get those skills, get the editing like right on point, and I assure you, you'll be all set. So this thing you need to invest some time. Don't just wake up and hey, say I want to do the YouTube channel and what. So learn some editing software, that's Premiere Pro. Learn how to do the cuts, learn how to put music, and also you have to know about the copyrighted music. So be sure to check out the YouTube copyright-free music. If you don't have any soundtracks with you, that would work for you. And then lastly, you need to have a Gmail account. That's your email account, in simple terms. That's what you use to log in into YouTube. On the top right, that's where you sign in, and then you go to create. And then they'll ask you to either create a brand account or a personal YouTube channel. What best works for you? If you have a brand like Mapenzi, we created a brand account. That's the best that would work for you. The benefit of having a brand account is that you can have many people managing it. You can set someone to be posting the videos. They can have access to a brand account, which is not so with the personal account. It's one login and that's all you have for you. So I would recommend you to have a brand account if you have a brand you want to put out there for people to see. So get that right. For a personal YouTube channel, you will be the only one in charge of it, and it makes you get limited if you want to have a brand or something. So those are the tips you have to have in mind before you start up a YouTube channel. Be sure to give me feedback on this video and how you find it helpful. I'll be glad to get back to you.